I think today, like with the market being stale for the last couple years, we're not really dropping, we're not raising, maybe a little slight dips in certain areas of
Zip codes,
so,
yeah.
yeah, zip codes. I feel this could be one of those plays when you lock in today,
Yeah.
and in 3 years you can exit. Because I remember when I was starting, like when I started in 2010, pretty much from 10 to 20, 21,
Yeah.
it was just going up slightly.
Yeah.
It just went straight. Everyone had the wind against their backs, so everyone was. I noticed a lot of investors they would do the lock it in option, whatever it is, hold it for 2 years, clean it up, sell it.
Yeah.
Do you think with the little dip we're in or the little stagnant period, it's a good time for that?
Yeah, I think it all goes back to just the numbers and the underwriting. I don't sit. I know there's some people that'll say, "Oh, totally go upside down. Don't worry about cash flowing." I'm a lot more conservative than that.
Yeah.
I like to have some equity in case I need to exit quick.
Yeah.
And I like to have some cash flow just to cover maintenance and stuff. My very first seller carryback deal was a rental property. I don't even think we got $1,000 a month at the time. That's how it was a cheap deal. I mean, it was at the time rents weren't that high. And we held on to it. We, had to replace the AC, deal with bad tenants, all the fun stuff that you deal with as a landlord and stuff. But then I remember we sold that property and we paid off my student loans.
Wow.
At that time. And I was like, dude, this business is like,
Great.
you can't do that with, certain other vehicles.
Yeah.
That's
true.
And real estate is such a way that it's helpful tax wise if you know how to do depreciation. You can build legacy. The other thing too that I'm really excited about is the creative stuff and the creating notes. Basically, it's just paper that pays mailbox money.
Oh my
right?
God. That when you understand how banks work and how they're creating notes out of thin air,
They're literally arbitraging interest rates. That's all they're doing.